Hey guys, I'm Kavan and this is PhotoForge. Today's episode, we're doing some photography with paint and special effects makeup elements. I don't really know anything about special effects makeup, I just kind of run with it and go and experiment, and that's what we'll be doing today. The cool thing is though, is once we have our subject completed, we're going into the garage where I made a set out of some branches I found outside and just attached them to some light stands with some duct tape. And we're gonna take like a really creepy photo with the guy holding the holding a small bird on his hand. So without further ado, let's over to the makeup side and start putting our face on.
To begin the makeup portion of our photo, I got a bald cap, some spirit glue, toilet paper, and duct tape to create my forest creature. I first apply the bald cap, then add toilet paper around my ears and eyebrows. I create the eyebrows from duct tape, then add more toilet paper over them to hide the duct tape. I then paint my face with liquid latex to give it a strange cracked and crater-like look. Once that is dried, I paint my body with acrylic paint.
Alright guys, we're done. Let's hit the editing bay.
To begin editing, I first duplicate the base layer. I then use my clone stamp tool and begin cleaning up all these wrinkled lines on the forehead to make them look a little more smooth transitioning into the eyebrows. Once I have polished up the face, I add a black and white layer to begin coloring, lowering the opacity below 14%. I then begin using multiple selective color layers to achieve my desired look, with each layer focusing on each respective color. I add a new layer to create a light fog in the air to add more depth and mystery to the image. I then continue with more selective color layers and add in our fake irises, and then we're done.
That does it for this week's episode. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And a huge thanks to our show sponsor, BayPhoto Lab. BayPhoto Lab is the best in photo prints. And the coolest part, if you use me as your referral when you sign up, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, just use the link in the description below. It'll take you to BayPhoto's site, sign up with me as your referral, and you'll get 25% off. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.